This great fish can be enjoyed like this with soak and travel, which is gari. You can use it to make spaghetti, native jollof rice, mixed sauce, stew, soup, anything of your choice. All you just need to do is wash your fish very well, remove every dirt in it, just give it a cut on top of it and place it inside your oven without salt, without anything. If you need it spicy, you can add some pepper and garlic. That's all. But if not, if you don't need any spice, just put it in like that on the grill and place the pan under it so that all the oil will just go out. And you see this fish. Can you see it? It's so very inviting. I can't just wait to start eating it because I just need to just make this video. See, tell me in the comment section, what would you like to use this fish for? Tell me. Look at that. Look at that. You see, these things are just easy and it's really very nice to cook with. It's drained away the excess oil and the fat from the fish, and like this you can actually enjoy your fish instead of frying it. Trust me, this way you get the real taste of your fish. Oh my god, oh, it's burning me. Oh my goodness, that will not stop me from eating you. See, so yummy. All right, if you need any other information, you want to ask any information concerning how to grill your fish, leave a comment. Just leave your comment in the comment section and I'll definitely get back to you. But right now, I want to give justice to this fish. Bye bye.